In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the country settings in the eBay app, providing you with step-by-step guidance to make the process as smooth as possible. First, you'll need to open the eBay app on your smartphone. Once you have the app up and running, ensure that you're logged into your account. It's important to be logged in because this process requires access to your personal eBay settings. Now let's proceed to the settings. Take a look at your screen and tap on your profile icon. Depending on which version of the app you're using, you might find the icon at the top left or the top right of your screen. You'll then see a list of options. Scroll down until you spot the settings option and tap on it to enter your settings menu. Next, it's time to focus on updating your country or region. In the settings menu, search for the option labeled Country, Region, or it might be listed under Site Preferences. When you find it, tap on it. This will allow you to choose your desired country site. For instance, if you're in the United States, you would select ebay.com. For the United Kingdom, ebay.co.uk, and for Australia, ebay.com.au. This selection essentially changes your shopping site version, which means you'll be viewing and accessing listings specific to the country you've chosen. There's an essential step to follow after updating your country settings, changing your shipping address. Head back into your settings, but this time, look for addresses. When you find it, tap into it. You need to identify your current shipping address and tap Edit beside it to update your details. Enter your new country details accurately and save these changes. This step is crucial because if your shipping address is outdated, it might lead to issues with receiving purchased items. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your country settings in the eBay app by following these steps. You can now enjoy a localized shopping experience tailored to your current country, ensuring that all the listings and shipping options are relevant to you. Remember, if you ever find yourself moving to a different country or region, you can return to these settings and update them accordingly. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more handy guides and tips.